Hi! Welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, I will be teaching you on how to change home screen fridge in work focus on iPhone X. But first, kindly subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And let's start. Using your iPhone X from your home screen, first, go to Settings. Then in the Settings, scroll down and click the Focus. Then after that, in the Focus, choose the Work. Then in the work focus, scroll down and go to customize screen section, then choose this one. Then after that, scroll down and go to your home screen pages. Then if you want to appear this part on your home screen, just put a check mark on the small circle. And if you want to appear also in your home screen, just put again a check mark on the small circle. Then if you're done, just click done. And your home screen page is now changed. And that's it. We have successfully changed home screen page in work focus on iPhone X. If you have a question, can you comment down below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And thank you for watching.